Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get USDT on MetaMask. First, you need to ensure your MetaMask wallet is set up with the correct network that supports USDT, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Next, you will import the USDT token by adding its contract address. This makes the token visible in your wallet. Remember, you will also need a small amount of the native network token, like Ether or BNB, to cover transaction gas fees. Let's get started. Once your MetaMask is ready, you have several ways to get USDT. You can purchase USDT directly from a centralized cryptocurrency exchange and then withdraw it to your MetaMask wallet address. Alternatively, if you already hold USDT in another compatible wallet, you can simply send it to your MetaMask address. For moving USDT between different blockchain networks, a cross-chain bridge is often necessary to facilitate the transfer securely and efficiently. After sending USDT to your MetaMask, it's important to verify its arrival. Open your MetaMask wallet and ensure the USDT balance is correctly displayed under the Assets tab. You can also review your transaction history within MetaMask or on a blockchain explorer for the specific network to confirm the incoming transfer. Always double-check that you have the correct network selected in MetaMask to see your USDT, as tokens on different networks won't appear otherwise. When dealing with USDT, always confirm you are using the correct contract address for the specific network to avoid losing funds. Different networks have different USDT contract addresses. Also, remember that every transaction on a blockchain incurs gas fees, so always keep a small amount of the native network token available. For more financial insights, check out the description for a link to a great book and other deals. Understanding these details ensures a smooth experience with your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.